That green in your KuCoin portfolio isn't just a number. It's real value waiting to be secured. Let's get it safely to your bank account. First, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Assets section at the top of the screen. This is your central hub for all things related to your holdings. From the Assets page, find and select the option for Fiat or Fiat Wallet. This is the dedicated area for traditional currency transactions, like US dollars or euros. Now, click on the Withdraw button within your Fiat wallet. You'll be presented with a form to specify exactly how you want to withdraw your funds. Choose Bank Transfer as your withdrawal method, then select the specific bank account you've previously linked to your KuCoin account if you haven't linked one yet. You'll need to complete that verification process first, which can take a short time. Enter the exact amount of fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Double-check this number carefully, as transaction details are critical. Before you proceed, KuCoin will clearly display any transaction fees and the final amount that will arrive in your bank account. Review all the details meticulously. The final step is to confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to complete a security verification, such as entering a code from your email or Google Authenticator. This is a vital security measure to protect your funds. Once confirmed, the transaction is processed. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account can vary depending on your bank. But the hard part is done. You've successfully turned your crypto profits into spendable cash.